Welcome back to another episode of DIY or Die, and today we got an interesting little teardown here. We have, holy man, it's heavy, what is it called here? A Validator 8 sterilizer by Patton and Crane, looks like. It's a type of medical sterilizer. It's I don't really know. I found it on the side of the road. $2,000, brand new. I'm not gonna try to fix it because, well, I don't know. I don't want to sell this type of stuff, so I'm just scrapping it for the nice stainless steel and stuff that I'm gonna find inside of it. So let's start tearing this thing down here. Here we go. It's one of the only times I wear gloves is for weird stuff like this, because I don't know, it's just kind of slightly gross knowing what could have been in here, but no, nothing really bad in here. Doesn't smell like death or anything, so that's good. So these looks like this is a fill port. Oh. Yeah, it looks like it's basically these steam sterilizers are filled with water, preferably distilled water, and then they just basically in here, in there, right there, you got your trays obviously, and you put stuff on your tray, and then tray goes in there, and then the steam just kills the bacteria. Use it for tools and stuff, metal usually. So suppose nothing else comes out, then the next step, take this out. I don't need that. Now let's take the back off here. I think we can take the back off first. So let's spin it around. And be security maybe? Flathead, look at that. It's nice, just flathead on the back of these. Got a screwdriver here. Should just come out. Cool. So, nicely insulated here. It's hard insulation. Some copper. That's nice. Not nice at all. Well, here, so you got a little basic wiring diagram down here. Not much, just kind of your consumer-based, tells you nothing type diagram, but got a couple solenoids, fill, vent, dump. Okay, well, let's keep tearing it down, I suppose. Time for a crescent wrench. Here we go. You should really never use a crescent wrench on anything, but they're good for some things. Like, come on, wiggle off. Like in applications where you don't care about what happens to whatever it is you're taking apart. This is like a banjo type bolt here for a connector inside the tank. Looks like this is a finely, there's enough threads on this thing to basically wear your patience, but all copper there. It's nice, a couple nice fittings on the end. That's nice brass right there. Heavy. I don't know why that's such a heavy fitting, but there we go. Guess that's the drain. Looks like there's a drain plug on the front here. This bottom here just goes through a threaded drain plug. This is an interesting little assembly here. Yeah, so this is a rubber seal. It's domed on the bottom there, chamfered. And that just seats up against that. Activated by a little solenoid that pops it up. Water can drain, closes, can't. And that would feed into what looks to be the main component of this entire thing, which is the boiler. Get that out of the way. And we can flip this up now. Yeah, let's see what happens if we plug it in. It'll be interesting. Right now it's on the unwrapped setting. 132 Celsius for 3 minutes. I hear a little clicking in there. I'm not smelling anything or feeling any heat. Start this one. Oh, what happens if we close the door? Start. Doesn't work. Ooh, that was a scary beep. See, I'm just waiting for water to shoot out of this, and then it shorts out, but not doing much. Packs. Yeah, I think it's pretty broke. Well, there's obviously a sensor. Yeah, a little micro switch in the bottom of there. Oh, it's definitely warm in here now. I can feel the heat. Now, I don't know if the 20C is inside. See, it says liquids. See, it says fill there. So it looks like this thing still worked. I'm definitely not fixing this though, or at least redoing the tubing and plumbing in there and reselling it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to sell used medical things, especially ones that you don't really know at all where they came from, but interesting nonetheless. What about packs? Do I have to fill packs? Clear. Okay. Same thing, fill. Let's clear it. Let's go to unwrapped. Maybe that doesn't need water. No. No. Okay. No, that was a little cloud of steam I actually saw come out of there. Let me take. Yeah, it's definitely warm in there. I don't know. It must be that little heating element at the back. Man, something. This part of the machine just reeks. I don't know if it's just the board or what. I think it's the board. It smells just bad. Temperature sensors. 3 solenoids. A bunch of other stuff, but it's all old school board actually. Iron core transformer. You get like even actually on the bottom, like this looks, I don't know, this is an old machine though. Board like that. Oh, you don't have any surface mount. You got through hole and everything. So it's pretty cool to see that. And you got the nice visible traces on the PCB. Okay, now we're just down to the heart of the machine here. Oh, there we go. That's what we needed. So this bottom bit is completely junk. Don't need it, don't want it. Get it out. I don't even want this cord. Okay. This is the bulk of the machine still. I don't know why there's so much weight to this. Still, this must be because of that stainless. And the third one's coming off now. Perfect. That's a lot of nice brass on this. We'll have to take a look. Taking this apart, maybe even a separate video on that, but here we go. Yeah, now we got this gross stuff to deal with. This chamber, it's under some pressure, I believe. Cool, nice brass. Heavy right there. It's a nice valve. Cool. Aha. Interesting. This is warm here. Underneath the insulation. Looks like we got a blanket heater type thing going on here. It's got a nice couple of 10-inch hose clamps or whatever that is. Now this, I'm not sure. Oh, okay. Ooh, that's got some heft, yeah. Yeah, that's all copper right there with thermal paste on it. And in between, it's a little sandwich. Looks like it's got a nice wedge right there in between the two layers, as you can see. In between there is a nice blanket. Not a blanket, sorry. This would be a resistor in there, just a little chunk of wire, but that's nice. Perfect. Plastic. And man, oh man, that is a heavy door. Get off there, you stubborn door. That's where the brunt of the weight comes from. But this now is all stainless. Cool. That's a good chunk of stainless. Yeah, this would make a nice container for something, to be honest. The lid fits so nice, but oh well. So we got nice chunks of stainless, a whole bunch of brass fittings, and oh, this is a good couple pounds of copper here. So I'll quickly clean all this crap up. We'll weigh it up and we'll see how much we made here. I'll be back. This is just kind of an interesting little thing I never actually noticed before. Talks about, see, it's right. This autoclave is rated for 35 psi and a little over boiling there. And it was manufactured in 1988. So this is an old unit here. Alright, so we weighed up the stainless steel, we weighed up the copper sheets over there, and I also forgot to weigh up all this nice brass here, really heavy. So, weighed them, and we got 3 pounds worth of copper, 32 pounds worth of 316 grade stainless steel, and 7 pounds worth of brass. So right now, current prices for copper is, at least in my area, $2.52 Canadian per pound. These are all per pound. 316 stainless is 40 cents a pound, and brass would be $1.80 a pound. So these are the three subtotals. And the biggest was the stainless steel, but brass came pretty close there. We got nearly the same amount in brass. But altogether that lands us $32.96, so $33 we got from that autoclave, which was not bad at all. So yeah, if you ever see one of these guys, doesn't matter if they're in crap condition or whatever, just grab them because they're worth a lot of money. Like, it's loud, so I'll take this apart here. I'll show you all the pieces that I thought were steel, but they weren't. So here we go. Okay, so this is the entire machine disassembled with all the values or valuables spread out here. So the copper sheets I was surprised about. These, I mean, they're heavy, but that's just thermal paste on that side. But I was really surprised they would use these as it was just a heat spreader for the heating element on the bottom of the autoclave chamber right there. But like really thick, heavy, pure copper sheets, so that's nice. The plumber's brass or whatever, that wasn't really surprising. Worth some money though. What was surprising to me was the gauge, like this alone. That is the bulk of the weight, I would say, right there, that thing. It's a real thick tank. And none of this stuff is steel, it's all stainless. Stainless, stainless, stainless. This is tinny mostly. A lot of these are thin stainless bands, thin trays. But what I thought was steel are these. These were the main arms for the door, but it's not steel at all. It's not magnetic, and it's not aluminum because it's not. It's really heavy. Like these easily added on like 10 pounds worth of stainless right there, which is nice. The door itself, there's a backing. So here's the door, the backing on the door to help hold the pressure. These went on here like that or whatever. But this obviously isn't stainless, and it's worth essentially nothing. But yeah, that's a good haul right there. 32 pounds of stainless steel, 7 pounds of brass, 3 pounds of copper. Get yourselves an autoclave, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I haven't done a whole bunch of these scrapping ones, but I'll see you guys like them. And let me know down in the comments if you want to see more of these. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Here we go.